So over here you can see that I got an audio file already imported onto my Audacity project area. And now in order to play back the audio, you can simply go around onto the top and press the play button. And once I press stop, it won't play anymore. If I want to play from a certain point, then I can go around over here and click using my mouse right here and then click the play button. And then that is how you can play around. You can also go around, click on a certain part, and to play around the audio, you can press the space bar. Press the space bar again and it stops. You can also select a portion right here and play that particular part as well. And then it stops right there. And that is how you can play back audio to hear out how it sounds inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.